All right, we are going to be making this today. You will need a pad of black paper. I use this notebook and a gel pen. Any silver colored or even a white would work for this. Again, this is what we're making, and I'm just going to show you how to get started here. So, get onto a blank page here. You're going to start by just drawing squiggles across the page, and they can go anywhere in any direction. And you're just going to do this until you feel like you have a good amount. You can even do some loop-de-loops in here. Okay, and then when you feel like that's good, then you're going to stop and you're going to outline the inside here. So you're just going to go along the inside and make like a little border inside each one of these shapes. And you're just going to keep doing that to all of them. The small ones, you can just do a little tiny, even just a dot or nothing at all. It's up to you for the small ones. Okay, now we're just going to do that. Okay, and once you've got all of the shapes filled in, now we're just going to make like loops. You start in any corner. So here we're just going to start on this one, and we're just going to go loop. And we're going to loop them all back to this one here. Like so. Then you fill in the space between each of the loops. And you just keep going. Now if you get an odd shaped one like that, it can come from multiple corners. I have it coming from this corner and this corner and this corner. No big deal. There we go.